So now let's see how we can work around with lists and checkboxes inside of Evernote. So here I already have a note editing area opened up. So let's say I want to make a grocery list right here. So I'm just going to go around and say milk, eggs, and I'm just going to go around and say apples, and I'm just going to go around and say bananas right here. Just like this, and let's just go around and add in, let's say, carrots right here, just like this. So these are my list right here. So if I want to change it into let's say bullet points, then I can go around and select out all of these text right here, and over here you can see that I can go around and turn it into a bullet list right here, just like this, by clicking on it. So this is what you have, and if I were to go around and press tab, then it becomes a sub list, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. So let's say I want apples and bananas to be sub list right here. So I can go around and press enter, and you can see that a bullet point just pops up right here, and I'm just going to go around and say fruits right here. So now I can press tab right here, and now apples and bananas are a sub list of the fruit right here. Similarly, you can press tab once more so that you get more sub lists right here. But let me just press Ctrl Z to go back right here. So once this is done, you can go around over here, and if you don't want a bullet point right here, you can also turn it into a numbered list right here, just like this. So you can see that this is 1, 2, 3 instead of bullet points right here. You can press enter and the number appears itself, as you can see. Or what you can also do is turn everything into a checklist. So let's say you are making a shopping list, but you want to have a checklist to check whatever you buy right here. In that case, you can go around and then check individual items right here, and they get crossed out as well, as you can see. So very good if you want to, let's say, have a bunch of tasks or like bunch of things like this that you need to buy, and you can check off as you buy them right here. And that is how you can work around with lists and checkboxes inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.